It's good from afar. When you're up in that shit.
Bridge that we're going to go to later on. The bridge basically like combines East LA to downtown. But the bridge is like, you just see the bridge going up, you go up, you cross it, and the whole downtown landscape,
Oh,
the whole
hell yeah.
Dude, it's sick.
Sweet.
So sick.
I'm with it.
But I was like, I want to take you guys here, check this spot out.
No, I'm glad we got here before it got dark. Too.
That's what I said. I'm glad we made
Yeah.
it before the skyline so you can
Yeah,
kind of see.
perfect timing, literally.
See how it's like to the right? This thing ain't facing the right.
I mean,
Yeah,
it's
honestly.
it needs a little work. Like for example, the bearings up on the right side,
Yeah.
like the stability, like the bushings on the C, it rattles
Right.
a lot, pulls still right. But like I said, it's a backyard build right now. It's still, you know, like the same
Who's
Mach
your,
1.
Yeah.
what I wanted to ask, who's your fiberglass guy? That was Baja.
Baja. He's down up in
Or I thought you said fucking down Baja, right?
yeah, on the other
Okay,
side,
yeah,
crossing
yeah.
the border.
Who was your guy?
It's like
Just smoking a little bit. Just a little bit of smoke, that's it.
oh the clutch.
Yeah,
Well, that's why it's dying out.
yeah.
All right, W, you ready?
Work on the steering and all that stuff. But like I said, I just have so many projects. I fly through go-karts.
Yeah.
I've been working on the
Yeah,
racing
just-
go-karts.
Right now, I just popped the clutch.
Yeah. So, you know, I work on a lot of these racing go-karts for a lot of people, maintenance their cars
Yeah.
before races and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So, kind of like what Tyler was doing, stuff
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that. But yeah, you know, just kind of like the hood guy, you know?
Fuck yeah.
So stuff like this, like I want to put my attention to, but some other
Bro,
shit comes
get
up.
this all popping. This is all for YouTube, right? Bro, yeah, get your YouTube popping, bro. It's really cool what you're doing. Like, genuinely, like, it's interesting as fuck. Showing your whole process with that.
Good.
I don't know, I think this year we're gonna film a lot of videos.
Dude,
and shit,
definitely. We're definitely going to,
so I'm really excited for real.
a lot of collabs and a lot of, you
You're
know?
gonna get the YouTube popping, bro.
Dude, that should be hella dope, man.
Yeah.
And it's dope because I go from like racing chassis to like fiberglass,
Yeah.
to like, you know, boom, boom, and
No, just fully custom fun shit.
yeah, hell yeah.
Dude, one day we're gonna put the PVC pipes on the go-karts.
Oh, no, yeah. I
That'd
got
be
those
sick.
ready to go.
That would be a fucking hold.
Yeah. No, actually, that won't burn as many clutches.
Really?
That'll just be.
Yeah, it'll
Yeah.
be spinning.
No, that clutch, yeah.
Be less friction on it.
Yeah, because it's like a lot heavier. You got to pull a lot of stuff, you know, so that's why
Yeah.
that engine.
Yeah. No, I love this thing, bro. This thing's fucking badass.
Yeah, it's fun, man. Yeah.
Oh!
Dude, I literally saw it getting hot. Did you see it too? You can see it right here. It was getting hot. I thought, oh, I guess it's just warming up. You blew it! Push it, Tanner!
It died.
Blew it.
What did he just blow?
Uh-oh.
Come here, come here. Go ahead, go ahead. good, you're good. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Dude, hey, when
Look at this, bro.
he did that first U-turn, he got real hot.
That thing was just on fire.
That one's gonna blow. That's why I blew it.
What was that?
Off the clutch.
You could see it glowing when you turned around the first time.
God, man.
Oh, we just blew the clutch completely.
I knew that was gonna blow. That's why I blew it.
It blew all the way over the wall, dude. Saw it? Yeah, I saw it. It went fine.
Firefighters even pulled out. Look.
Yo. Hey,
Dude, this thing is sick.
That's a pretty nice rig, right?
Solid setup. Let's party.
Right.
Yeah.
Man, what? Hey, what you getting me into, man? Hang with all these famous people. All the work I did just to get here with all of this. Kurt, hey, I was cussing your ass out, mad at my cameraman, nigga out here cheating on me. Hey, he blessed me with my motherfucking dirt bike.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Bro, you got that shit nice, brother. You got. Oh, that's Tanner right there. Tanner, Mike.
Hey, how you doing,
right here,
Tanner?
man. That's
Nice to meet
Tino
you.
right here, man.
Tanner, nice to meet you.
That's my brother right there, Chris. That's Tino right there. That's the other guy right here, Mr. The man
Tanner.
right there. Cam.
Chalino.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
ready to party or what?
Yeah, I'm ready to party. Like,
Hell yeah.
like I really want to see Tanner do like a flip over the cannon.
Let's see what we can find.
Yeah, cause I thought this was like an old loading dock.
Yeah,
there was
we
a
were
dock,
looking
I
for
could
a
hop
ledge.
over
There's
for
nothing.
sure.
Yeah. Like whatever y'all want to do. Hey, I did a lot of work to like end the party short.
So what's on it? What's done to it?
Oh, a lot of stuff.
You
Yeah, a
know-
lot.
I heard it's on like a.
Yeah, about a video.
Yeah, it's on the biggest tune, flex fuel, bigger injectors,
Okay.
stock turbo, but it got some ponies.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly,
And it's on like 28 pounds of boost.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah, it has a
Yeah, that's a
two-step.
party animal. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it has a hydro brake.
Oh, you got a hydro in
shit.
there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, dude, we
Yeah,
gotta
so
see
we
this
can
thing.
dance.
Get it off the trailer. Let's go.
Yeah,
sounds so good. Yeah, hell yeah. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro?
Get inside that.
I know, I'm about to. He's getting a helmet.
Oh yeah, get a helmet.
Get in there.
Oh yeah, that's party central in there, dude.
Look at this.
I'm gonna just
You're
wear
gonna
my
pour
helmet.
right
That way I get some more like
Confidence, right?
chem block
Safer.
skills and shit.
Yeah. Dude, that thing is nutty. It sounds so good.
That is insane.
Hey, I'm doing shit I ain't never did. I'm launching it on 4x4. Yeah,
That was 4x4?
Yeah, that shit.
That sounds good.
Hey, I was tripping out.
Shit, bro.
I said, I'm gonna blow my shit for Tanner.
My guy, bro.
Before I
and
let
we
him
did it.
down, I'm gonna blow it up.
Dude, look at the marks, man. Look at the marks, bro. We left our mark at the furniture factory. Fuck yeah.
Now on the 4x4 launch, you do for
Yeah. Way different.
It's like,
Yeah, way more violent.
I heard it. It skipped
Yeah.
like.
Yeah.
I'm like, damn.
It was violent.
Yeah, I'm like, I haven't done that in a long
my
time.
gosh.
So I feel good right now.
Dude. Yeah, that's gotta feel good.
Yeah. That's like all the drugs you can take all in one. Never heard anybody like through the helmet. Oh, I can hear him.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I'm like, damn, I don't know what he said, but I know he's happy.
I'm like,
What up, Ken?
No, dude, that thing's no joke.
Hey, then look, this is just a little FYI. I did all of that with a little bit of fuel. Like my gas light was on the whole time. That's why I went chaos. I said, fuck that. I said, I can't afford the whole warming up thing. I said, just, hey, let her eat, bud.
Ken! What's up?
I seen the razor. I was like, wait a second, that's the homie. I see Tanner. We lit.
Can-Am,
We lit.
not a razor.
Okay, my fault. Can-Am, that shit wet though. Hey, I'm working. I pull up in a work truck. It's lit. I see all the activities. What's good? Oh God, I'm about to. I don't even care. Yeah, it's lit. We really outside. I'm working and I pull up. They lit out here.